So we're looking at a multiplication using the part whole model. So my multiplication that I'm looking at is 43 times 3, and I've written out my 3 times table to the side over here. Now if you're really good at your 3 times tables, you won't need to write them out, but I'm showing you that you can write them out, because if you're not so secure with your 3 times table, it doesn't mean you can't do this multiplication, because all you have to do if you're not so sure is write them out so you've got them there handy in front of you. So I'm going to draw my part whole model. So this is my whole. The whole that I've got is 43, and I'm multiplying by 3. So I'm going to partition this number out into two numbers. So I'm going to take it apart so that it's easier to multiply. I'm going to start off by taking the tens. So I'm going to do 40, and then I'm going to do 3. So I'm going to do two different multiplications and then put them together. So I'm going to start with the easy one, which is 3. So I'm going to do 3 times 3. And if I know it, I could just write it down, but if I'm not sure, I can go 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then I'm going to do 40 times 3. And the thing to remember about multiplying a multiple of 10 is we're going to ignore the 0, and we're going to then put it back at the end. So I'm going to ignore it, pretend it's not there, which means I've got 4 times 3. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is 12, and then I have to just remember to put the 0 back on the end. And then all I have to do is 120 add 9, which is 129. So 43 times 3 is 129.